Okay, I will now go to conditional formatting. Conditional formatting italize cells based on conditions or rules. Example, turn all values above 90 green. Found under home conditional formatting. Can use color scales, icons, or custom rules. So let's look at this. I will take this down a bit. Let me remove the total row. Okay, I will just duplicate this. I will just duplicate things. Okay. Now, conditional formatting. You come to your home tab, styles, conditional formatting. You click here. We have highlight cells rules. I can say okay. I can come to annual salary. I will click on the annual salary column. Conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules. So I want to highlight the salary greater than 100,000 using light red fill with dark red text. So you can see now the salary greater than 100,000. This one is not above 100,000, but the ones that are above 100,000 they are highlighted. It also highlight this, but you can even do like this. Conditional formatting, then greater than. So you can see everything greater than 100,000 is highlighted. Now, another thing I can do is I can come to this ID. Most times, you might have duplicates. Okay, I will click on this ID because a unique value. Let's assume I have duplicates here without knowing. I'll come to conditional formatting and now come down to duplicate values. I can change this. Okay, let's use green. Now say okay. So it's going to highlight all the values that have duplicates. This one has duplicates 105 at last. This is it. So all this one highlighted, they have duplicates. Let's assume you are working in admission list or employment list. Maybe they use rec number to give the admission or the employment. You can check for if there is any duplicates. Most time you see in admission list or employment list that's being posted, you see someone is appearing twice. So it's something like this. So you can, as an analyst, before that list is being published, you can check for duplicates using this method. A lot of things you can do. You can do, if I come here, okay, you can clear the condition. I will click here. You say clear rules. Clear rules from selected cells, entire sheet. So selected cells will just be only this one. Another thing I can do is I can come here and say no top. I can look for the top three earners. The top three earners. I might use yellow. So now these guys now are the top three earners. So you can do that. Another thing I can do, I have 5, 10. Okay, let's do something like this. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I can do this. I can come to icon sets, directional. Okay, but before I do this, let me sort this. Let me sort it from largest to smallest. Then icon sets. So now we have top third, middle third, and lower third. So you can do the same too. So there are many options you can explore on your own. You look at less than, between, equals to, you can explore all these other options and see how they works. So that is it about conditional formatting.